morning from a rainy day in Maine. The tide's way out right now. You can see it's almost a waterfall rather than just a rapid like it was yesterday. Sure was nice to sleep next to the sound of rushing water all night. It's always a peaceful way to sleep on the side of the road. There's a little spot of sun over there in the distance. Let's hope it comes this way. Ready for some mountains. I want to see some big hills. I will take the blue skies though. Blue skies and mountains one of these days. Don't know why I do that every time I talk. I'm guessing the tide comes up this far because these nets are this way kind of nets. So when the tide's high, the fish try to get up river and get caught. It's going through that little hole. That's my expert opinion on the fishing nets thrown across this river. Another rusty ring to add to my collection. Hey. 2 rusty rings. Oh, what a collection. Just spent 4 hours at the coffee shop, maybe 5, uploading videos for y'all. Now I'm gonna pick up my lunch at this window, a couple of burritos, then head to the park so Nora can cool off because the car got hot. I feel bad leaving her in the car when it got hot, but it happened. She had air, but it was hot. And then after that, we're gonna go to Walmart. So today's video might consist of everything you've seen so far and then whatever happens at Walmart, because that's all I'm doing today. Right on. Glad you could watch. Whoa, what am I doing? Want to see a Maine license plate? That would be a Maine license plate. This is my lucky rear view mirror. I've knocked it off 3 times on the road trip. The first time was when I smashed it against another car, a parked car. Their mirror broke my mirror in one. The second time I was trying to lean in the window over this part of the mirror here and broke it off. And then the third time I was backing out against some brushes and was kind of stuck on a stick, so I gunned it and then a tree branch smacked it right here and busted it off. So who knows how many more times I'll break it before I get back to the West Coast, but I'm gonna see if I can get some of the glue off right now. It's an exciting day on the road, I tell you. It's just gonna scratch the car. Let me work on this without the video camera operating. Easy enough. Gotta love Gorilla Glue, man. Use it on my shoes, I use it on my car. Basically use it to survive. I just went all the way to the far end of Walmart before I realized I forgot my credit card and will be unable to purchase any items in the Walmart world. So I must go back to the far end and then go back to the other far end. I had to get one of those motorized carts. I'm exhausted today. I went and got my credit card and forgot to get a battery for the camera. I should have just said forget it, but I'm afraid this is all I'm gonna have to film today. Who you waiting for? Yeah, I see you. Trying to make a video and I got nothing. Right? Is that what I'm trying to say? Cannot give you my brain today. Don't go too fast. Go down each aisle, and then I'll see things that will either be what I need or remind me of things I need. So I don't have to continue to come back to Walmart. I'm way off base. I got the pot. Gonna cook some lobster claws tonight, and I like to make soup on the road. And I got sheets because I ripped my old sheets, and it's always nice to have an extra pair of clean sheets in case I don't get to a laundromat as soon as I like. And since there's a lot of pots here at Walmart, I gotta make sure I got the right pot. $99 stainless steel set. Don't need that. Oh, mercy, mercy, mercy. Yeah, where your camera at? You don't have the little ones, the wraparound ones?
Yeah, this the one.
No, they make the ones that... I want to buy this, please. Gotta admit, I'm a little jealous of this guy right here. Gotta check out this cruiser setup. Look at the boat, that's gorgeous. He's gotta have a lot of fun with that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty nice setup. That's one way to do it. That would be the other. This is what's left over from the other day's lobster. Cheesecake, yep. See, we got a little spoon in there. What's this? Caramel cow, strawberry cheesecake. Sundays on the go. Mint chip sounds pretty damn good to me. Mint chip it is. Ice cream in the jewelry section. Only at Walmart's.
Nothing wrong with that.
Absolutely not. Perfect for me.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good night. You look friendly enough to put on the camera. Hi, bud. You are a friendly dog. Yes.